So here is my this crawler, and this is scraping all the details of like IMDb top 250 movies, and within every movie it is scraping all the necessary details of every movie, like IMDb rating, is title, duration, year, and it is storing the result in a CSV file. So what can I do is I can just type this command scroll and scrapy crawl IMDb movies, and I can enter, and it will start the clock crawler. It is scraping, it is starting, and it is here, it is scraping the details. It is scraping all the 250 results and going to every result and scraping and following that link, scraping all the necessary details. So the scraper is done, and it has stored the details in this CSV file. Here it is. These are all the details like title, year, rating, views, genre, duration, director of all the 250 movies.